Hi, I'm Belle from the Sonoma Test Kitchen, and it is back to school season. So we partnered with our friends at Pottery Barn Kids. So whether you're eating at home or on the go and need a quick lunch, we have easy and delicious recipes that the whole family will love. Today we're making sunflower butter and jam roll-ups. So to make my raspberry jam, I'm going to add 3 containers of some gorgeous fresh raspberries to my Vitamix and just pulse these a little bit. Then I'm going to add about 1/3 cup of chia seeds, just a pinch of cinnamon. Again, this is a low, basically no added sugar. If you need a little more sweetness, I like just a hint of maple syrup or a little pinch of cane sugar. So I'm going to take my whole wheat bread and just roll it out with the short side facing you. I'm just going to spread our sun butter. I'm going to leave about 1/4 inch uncovered on top. Then our beautiful jam. That's it. I'm just going to take my bread and just start to roll it up from the short side. Now, if any of the filling starts to come out, you can just kind of take it out. I'm just gonna cut these into sushi-like pieces. And now for the real best part, I get to try it. It's so good. Kid approved. Mid-adult approved. Time to pack it up.